Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. This is a quick video on showing you how to set up a FTP server, especially on the instruments that runs on Windows operating system. So in the event where you can't use a USB drive to transfer information from your computer to instruments or vice versa, so you can set up this type of FTP server. So it's not just limited to instruments use, you can use this for computer where you want to set up a quick FTP server that you can access from another computer. So this is just a walkthrough. So this is a spectrum analyzer, and first of all you have to access it as an administrator. So the default password, you can actually Google it. I won't say it out here because for security purpose. So we do advise you to change this administrator password whenever you have a chance, just to beef up your security. So once you're in there, let's go to control panel. By the way, you can't change this setup in our normal instrument login, which is just an instrument user. So you have to change that to administrator. So let's go to control panel, program, turn Windows feature on or off. Then we go to Internet Information Services. So this is where you want to select both FTP server, FTP extensibility, and also FTP service. So once you've done that, click OK, and you will just install the needed file. So once you're done, just click close, and the next thing we want to do is go back to control panel, administrator tool. So administrative tools. So under that, let's go to Internet Information Services, IIS, and this is where you can add on an extra site for that. Add FTP site. So this is a spectrum analyzer, the FTP. So this is just a name for it. So physical path, I did a quick try just now. There are certain folders in the PC that has been blocked out, which you can't access. So you have to choose the right folder to do that. I already done that previously, so I put in user data, so FTP drive, so I click OK, and I click next. So this is where you're going to put in your IP address. We do suggest to put in the IP address because without that you might mess up with your thing. So this is where I'm going to type in the IP address, but I'm going to block it out. So change your no SSL, because it's just a quick and dirty setup. I do not want to require any SSL certificate. And these and other things that you have to make sure. Anonymous user. So because this is closed loop, I know what I'm doing, and then after this I will remove this. So this is just for temporary solutions for transfer file. Then I click finish. Again, please check with your IT policy whether you're allowed to do this. If it's not, then don't do it. Right, so once we're done that, then we can try to access it from another computer. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to FTP using a command prompt. I'm sure you guys are quite familiar with it. So just type in FTP, IP address. Then because we turn on the anonymous login, so you can use anonymous. So you can type in some random password or without any password. So we are in. So from here you can actually do file transfer, get, put from computer to remote FTP, so it's up to you. So I hope this helped. Thanks for watching.